From the time I was a young person, I wanted to work for the underdog. I wanted to have a career where I was helping people. My name is Andrew Berman. I was a judge in Cook County for over 18 years. The day before I was going to retire, the last case I ever heard of the thousands I heard was a simple possession of a stolen motor vehicle. There was a dash cam video, and the state's attorney played the video. There were 6 people in a stolen car. The police stopped the car for a traffic violation. And all of a sudden, another squad car comes up with 2 more police officers in. One of them gets out and pulls out his service revolver, and the kid who was on trial in front of me was one of the kids in the backseat. There were 4 teenagers in the backseat of this car. And the kid who's on trial in my courtroom goes over the backseat and starts manipulating the accelerator pedal with his hand. The car starts backing up slowly, and the officer fires 16 shots into this car. Fortunately, they were minor injuries. One, I think, was struck in the shoulder, one in the ankle. I mean, it's a miracle he didn't kill someone. It's hard to know where to start about how shocking this is. First of all, as far as they know, this is a traffic violation. There are 4 unarmed kids in the back seat. I could not believe what I was seeing. It was the most shocking thing I'd ever seen a cop do in my entire career. Whenever there's a police shooting, they look for a way to blame somebody else. And that's what they did in this case, is they figure, well, the best way to protect this cop is to make a criminal case against one of the people he shot, so that it doesn't look so bad, because he's not shooting an innocent bystander, he's shooting someone who's committed a crime. I remember my thoughts as I'm watching this. My first thought was, I've got to get this cop off the police department, whatever it takes. And so I asked the state attorney, let me borrow the DVD. I went back in my office, made a copy of it, and I was put in touch with a reporter from one of the TV stations in Chicago and a newspaper, and the 2 of us figured out a way to break the story, and it became a big deal nationally. I did not know that there was a federal case going on at the same time, that the U.S. Attorney's Office was very interested in this case, and, good for them that they were on top of this and that they prosecuted it. I don't think prison is usually a deterrent for most types of crime, but if you send a cop to prison for emptying his service revolver into a car full of unarmed teenagers, maybe the next cop will think twice about doing that.